Hi, we're going to talk about how to register on EverFi. And some of you may already have an EverFi account using your Licking Heights School District Gmail if you've taken my course previously. So that's fine. We'll sort of just learn how to recover that password as well if needed. But for those of you that have never used this before, one reason why I really like EverFi is that it sort of gets us out of doing worksheets, and you get to interact and sort of personalize your experience with some concepts from our course. And so while it does sort of have like a game type feel, it's got animations and things like that. And so it might feel like it's sort of like a game, but there is some work that goes in behind it. But I want you to keep in mind that it is better than having to do maybe like a traditional worksheet of some sort. So I provide class codes each new semester for each class period. So for example, if I were in period 1, I would just make sure I go to this direct link, and again, using that bookmark function and getting your bookmarks up here, you can see I've bookmarked EverFi up here, and I can just click that directly. So when you register, I'm actually going to move my camera here maybe to this side. When you register, you'll need this code, like pretty much before you even start typing anything in. It's going to ask you for that code. Make sure you're not selecting teacher, you're definitely the student. But for example, you would just type that in, and instead of typing it in, copy and paste is definitely the better way to go. And I'm going to make this bigger so you can see that. It does ask you for your birthday, so I'm going to pretend that I'm your age. So I think some of you were probably born in 2006 or 7. So you type in that, and I'm going to use my CTech email address, but you really need to be using that LH Schools. Okay, but because I already have a teacher account under my LH Schools, I'm just showing you this example with CTech. And then it says must contain 6 characters, at least 1 special character or number, and cannot contain the word password. Okay. Okay, so then when you enroll, you'll see I've uploaded this course already for you. So any of the courses that we're going to use in class, I'll have pre-uploaded. You just need to be making sure that you're paying attention to either like the daily agenda or the playlist, or any communications from me about what you need to finish and when you need to finish it. So we'll just go from here. So make sure you can get your account registered using the code that goes with your class period. Follow the directions carefully, and I will know if you got into EverFi because you'll show up sort of on my like teacher list from the teacher side of the website. So, but for example, you can just see like this is one of the courses that we'll use, but this one is oh, if you see this survey, it's just asking for some data. So you can do it if you want to, but you don't have to. So it's just to help them make the website better, basically. So this one's kind of neat because you are the mayor of a town, and it's actually going to go over some basic concepts that we've sort of discussed as future planning. And so, you know, how to make money, how to make smart decisions. This is sort of about education and training. And then the blueprint will start to look at like your career interests and options and things like that. So, it is pretty neat, but you will get a grade for completing this. So please, please, please take anything that we do on EverFi seriously, because you will be getting credit for it. So, all right, hopefully that helps, and I will see you next time.